Hey guys, if you're encountering the error message, this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how to solve this. Now, you'll usually encounter this error message when your WhatsApp account has been banned for breaching the terms of service. Sometimes, however, accounts can wrongly be mistaken for breaking the rules. So if you haven't broken any of the rules and you're getting this message, then what we can do to fix this is head over to an internet browser and you need to search for WhatsApp support. Now, this is the only way to successfully recover your account. You need to head over to this top search result here, this contact WhatsApp, and right at the top you'll see WhatsApp Messenger support. So just go ahead and select contact us. Then you need to scroll down and provide the information below. So simply enter the phone number that's listed on your account. Then go ahead and type in your email address. This is where you'll be contacted for updates about your account. So I do recommend typing in a valid email address. Select how you use WhatsApp. I'm going to select web and desktop. And inside of the message box, you just need to type something along the lines of, "Hi, my WhatsApp number has been banned incorrectly. I haven't broken any of the terms of service. Please help." And then we can just click next step at the bottom. Then it will go to this page with some help articles. You can just ignore all of this and select send question. Now, this has been sent to WhatsApp and it can take 2 to 3 business days in order to get back to you. But like I said, this is the only way to successfully recover your WhatsApp account. It can just be that your account has been banned by mistake. And as long as you haven't breached any of the terms and conditions, then WhatsApp will recover the account for you. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.